is good afternoon, everybody. I'm pretty sure we're here now. And that the audio is working. I am telling you what, man. I was sweating like crazy between the break, working in the garage. Absolutely. You got to clean the garage out every once in a while. And I don't know why I choose one of the hottest days of the year to do it, but I mean, you got to do it. So that's what we got going on. We got Ray De Silva first in the chat, man. Dark Bro second. We got Ray, Dark Bro, Gorilla. Chris, what's going on, Chris? We got Tim, we got Dark Bro, Gorilla, Tim, Chris, with that Condor vision. Yes, Tim does have Condor vision, Chris. Tim, Gorilla, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Nick F, and Gen G. Glad to have all you guys in here. Let's see if, hold on. We got to come back in here. This is not right. We've got Chrome. Yes, Chrome goes there. All right, that looks good. Now we need this one. All right, back in action on that one right there. But let's go Weeble right now. See what's happening in the market. What is going on here? Oh, that was weird. Let's see. All right, stuff must have got messed up. All right, stuff clearly got messed up with Jerome Powell. Does it look right? Does it look normal? We can move it over a little bit. I think that's right. All right, I think that looks right there. Good. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing at $5.06 today. It tried its best to bounce back a little bit into the close there, coming out $4.91 and sitting at $5.06 at the close. Shiba Inu coin not doing too much, sitting 88.88% lower on the day today, 785 points per coin. GameStop finishing at $22.70. Mullen Auto $13.09. It was a slight gain on the day, 0.69% higher. The NASDAQ, why can't I scroll down? Come on, Weevil, don't do this to me. NASDAQ finishing the day lower, 14,127. AMC 506. GameStop 22.70. Dogecoin 7.8 cents. Dogecoin coming back down a little bit, guys. Ethereum sitting at 18.76. Shiba Inu coin 7.85. Bitcoin 29,418. Bitcoin trying to bounce back, man. Bitcoin enjoying what Jerome Powell had to say today. Molinado 13.09. Sundial $1.48 on what? Hopes that next month you've got some medical marijuana stuff passing. The SPY sitting at 455.51. BBIG 388. BBIG getting hit hard today, down 11.4%. Netflix 422.67. Highcraft Mining 48 cents. QQQ 377.52. You get Ape sitting at $1.75. MPW 10.58. Tesla 264.35. And Novix, J-Bones, what's going on with the Novix, man? Oh, jeez, J-Bones making all the money, dude. And Novix sitting up 8.5% after hours, and it is running. If J-Bones is in here right now and he's still holding on, we'll watch that with him. Joby sitting right here at $7.99 at the close, and Novix rolling. Somebody tell me if J-Bones is in here. Did I see his name? I do see his name. Very nice. J-Bones, you still holding a Novix, man? Looking pretty good right there. Let's see here. Powell raised interest rates. Yes, increase in interest rates. Focus on the labor market. Basically the same stuff that we have been hearing time and time again. I did not listen to the entire thing. If anybody did listen to the entire thing and you want to give us a little bit of a summary as to what Jerome Powell said in terms of, I guess, future interest rates, or whether or not they are going to raise interest rates once, twice, 3 times, however many meetings they got left this year. Are they going to be raising interest rates multiple times? Like I say, I did not listen to the entire thing, so if anybody wants to give us a little bit of a summary, please do. Are you saying the afternoon is good, or is it a good afternoon? It's both. The afternoon is good, and it is a good afternoon today. Both of those. Any word on how bad Bunter Hayden is in his plea deal? I actually do not know, man. I've not been following that. I've seen some stuff on Twitter, but I have no idea how bad off they are right now. Good, bro. Hope you're good, brother. Big Barista. I'm doing very well. Glad to have you back in here, the Big Barista. Where you been, man? Where you been? Some of these people coming back right now, it's like they never left, but we know you did. Where you been, man? We want to know. Yo, bro, what's going on? What's going on, Do Kwon? How you doing? Wouldn't that be great if this really was the like real Do Kwon? Have you ever been so hungry and did not want to spend money on food, but there was nothing in the fridge, so you just made some very random dish or sandwich? I just did that. Yeah, dude, I don't really like to eat out, so you're not gonna find me going out and eating too much. I want to know what you made, Rozzy. I want to know what you made. I can't necessarily think of the most random thing that I've made before, but I don't have a problem at all doing like a fried rice or something. I usually got those little cups of minute rice. If I need to, I can make those, and then just throw whatever leftovers I've got in there. Dude, if I got lunch meat, man, I don't even mind doing it with lunch meat. So, yes, I've seen some pretty random meals in my day, but that yours is so random, you had to bring it up. You gotta tell us what you ate, Rozzy. Some crap from the Fed. We don't have enough data yet. Oh, my God. Of course, they'll never have enough data, though, will they? No, they will not, Ramsey. No, they will not. He probably said, blah, market blah, labor blah, ship stocks, Jean-Pierre Clown, blah. Yeah, probably. That's probably what it sounded like to normal people. Notos, we got big weather coming in hot tonight. It's an afternoon, but it's going to be a wild night. Is it really going to be a wild night, Tim? Or, like, do we really have weather coming into Ohio right now? Or, oh, wow, dude. It says record high right now on the weather here on my computer. Wow. 91 degrees. Current temperature ties the record for July 26th. It really was. I really did clean out the garage on the hottest day of the year. Not only the hottest day of the year, the hottest day on this day in history. And if it hits 92, man, I'll clean the hottest day in history. That's crazy. Good evening to you as well, AB Investments. Razi hasn't created the, it's how I created the ultimate corn dog. Very nice, Tim. Very nice. The ultimate corn dog, I would also like to hear about that. Notos, North Central Ohio. Razi, what's going on? Pika. Yeah, man. Razi, you gotta let us know on the random food there. Hoorah, so this whole Fed thing was nothing. My long did play out, but change. My long did play out, but change only. By the way, many technical analysts calling Shib pump to the thousands. Any resistance there? Yes. So you get resistance at that 800 point per coin mark. There's a little at 9, and then the major level is right there at that 1,000 mark. So my line on the screen right here is slightly below 1,000. It's at 974, but that technically should be at 1,000. Just move it up a little bit. So the red line is 800 points per coin. We do have resistance at 800 points per coin. Tried to break, couldn't do it. Tried to break, couldn't do it. Trying to break, can't do it. If it does get above 800 points per coin, you know, we might get caught up in this 900 range right here. You see a little level, but for the sake of not having a line every 100 points, the next major line is at this 1,000 point per coin mark. So back in 2022, tested it on the down, tested it on the down, tested it on the down, finally broke, tested it on the upside, broke through it, held nicely for a few months, tested it on the down, tested on the down, tested on the down, and finally broke through, spent about a month in that 900 point per coin range before dropping drastically. I believe this is when Binance was sued by the SEC right here. Could be wrong, but I believe that's what was going on this major dip. So now we're testing 800 points per coin on the way up. If we break, I believe we're right back to around that 1,000. I don't think it's going to be as easy to get through 1,000 as some analysts might think that it is. But if we do, yeah, we're probably testing 1,250. I think my next line's around 1,250, man. You got this little area in here. But like I say, if you're not going to put a line at 1,100 points per coin, for the sake of not putting one every 100 points per coin, 1,250 is a pretty decent level that we've tested back here and tested on the way back down for several months. So 1,250 beyond the 1,000 point per coin mark is what I have on my Shiba Inu coin, technical analysis, whatever. Clearly we know there's some people out there that could try to be smarter than me and put some better lines on there. But, dude, I look at Shiba Inu coin and read all of the news every single day. multiple times a day. So unless they do the same, I would say we have a better fix on what Shib's doing. Took some white rice and put some mayo and some type of Asian spicy sauce and mix it and ate it. It was decent and it did the job. Yeah, Rozzy, that would do the job, dude. If you got a little bit of an Asian spicy sauce and you've got some mayonnaise there, it's actually making me kind of hungry, dude. It's very similar to what they do with like a spicy salmon or a spicy tuna if you're going to get sushi at one of those places. In order to make that spicy salmon sauce or that spicy, whatever they call it, all you do is mix a little sriracha with some mayonnaise, dude, and you're right there. So you just didn't have the salmon or the tuna to go with it, but you basically had yourself a nice tuna bowl without the protein. So very nice, Rozzy. It doesn't sound that bad to me, man. Hey, Clay, any word on AMC revised settlements? Gregory Patrick Smith. I don't have any news on whether or not the judge, has accepted it, is going to ask for more amendments and so on. Me, personally, I truly believe that the judge will accept it when it comes time. But we haven't seen anything from the judge, that you guys probably haven't seen over the last couple of days. So, no necessarily new news right there. But, Greg, we know that an accepted settlement is going to be detrimental for the price of AMC. It's going to be great for the price of Ape. Well, I've been working 50 hours a week. Dang it, barista. Why are you working so much, man? Looking for ideal locations for my first cafe, bar, or restaurant, a venue to go full barista for the UK public. Fingers crossed I find something soon. Been taking all the courses needed to manage said establishment, arranging vacations, and finally taking a statistics certification so I can keep up with all the bros and make some money here too. Yeah. Dude, if you're working 50 hours a week, scouting locations to take your side hustle to the next level and make it a full-time gig, owning your own barista or bar or whatever where you're going to end up having over there, and taking some courses on statistics, dude, you are definitely a busy man. Definitely a busy man. And I do hope that it works out well for you, man. Hopefully you're able to find the perfect location, that you've got one of the best, bars or whatever you guys call them over there, restaurants in town, and people, it is their local spot to go, man. So hopefully it all works out for you. Clay, I was sleeping. Where did interest hit today? So, Kenneth, man, I believe that we are stuck at 550 for the time being. Let's go out here to good old Chrome and see what we got going on so you guys can get a little bit better of an idea about it. The interest rates, press conference, all right, great. But we want today, man. Show us everything from today. Federal Reserve interest rate decision coming in at 5.5%. Now, I did not listen to everything that Jerome Powell said, so we might be able to take a little, let's see. All right, let's see what we got. Headlines. All right, so we got some good stuff down here. We can afford to be a little patient as well as resolute as we let this unfold. Real rates are restrictive and in meaningfully positive territory. Powell suggests subtracting a mainstream estimate of near-term inflation. I don't know about all those headlines. What do we got here? Fed lifts interest rates by a quarter point. Knew it. Very few statement changes. Upgraded growth from modest to moderate. Wow, that's a great upgrade. Retains may be appropriate 3 further rate moves. All eyes on Chair Powell? Yes. Meeting by meeting on rate hikes going forward. He's keeping the door open for more hikes. Cautions the good June CPI report is only 1 month of data. We need to see more data. What an idiot, dude. We've had like 10 months, 12 months of falling inflation data. It's not just 1 month, man. It's literally been falling for the last year. So I don't know why he would caution on that. Seemingly the same thing that we've been hearing. And honestly, I believe that is why the market did not really react heavily. So if you're looking at the overall market today, let's look at the QQQ for a second here. If you're looking at the QQQ, you've got Jerome Powell coming out right here, and interest rates coming on in this area right here. You got a little bit of volatility at 2 p.m. Didn't do much. Went from 376.30 to 377. I mean, very, very small swing for interest rates. The market getting exactly what it expected in terms of a rate hike. Little volatility to the upside, brought it right back down to where it was. Very short-lived movement. And then Jerome Powell starts talking. Okay, he's impressing investors for a second with the fact that he's upgrading the growth rate, the growth terms from modest to moderate, and then talking about more rate hikes into the future and leaving it open for a meeting-by-meeting basis to determine whether or not to raise the interest rates, bringing it right back down, and then investors kind of calming down a little bit into the close here after he stops talking and slowly moving higher into the close. But if you look at it, basically ending very, very close to where we spent the entire day. A lot of the day was spent around 376.50, closing the day at 377.50. So it was a slight decline on the day, but no real, I guess, shock to the market by either the interest rate hike to 5.5% or the press conference from Jerome Powell. Neither one of those shocking the market. Appreciate the love, brother. Come back when I can. Absolutely. If and when I succeed, visit me in the UK. Streams after hours from my place. I sponsor you. Get free coffee while you vacay. Big barista. That would actually be pretty sweet, man. That'd be pretty sweet. I really do hope, man. If you guys are, any of you guys out there trying to make a go of it on your own, I hope nothing but the best for the big barista, dude. My VA claims went into decision phase. Hopefully I get 100% P&T, and then I'm bagging up. Well, good luck, Notos. I actually don't know what all of that means, so good luck on that one. Inflation is not falling. We are comparing crap to crap. Unfortunately, Tim, that's the definition of inflation, yes. So theoretically, inflation is still rising. It's rising at a slower pace. It's not falling. So Tim is right on that one. But the inflation rate, right, which compares prices today to prices last year, we are 3% higher today than we even were last year, when last year was already extremely ridiculous compared to the year before. So just because the inflation rate is dropping does not mean that prices are getting better. We're slowing down in how quickly prices are rising. They are still increasing. And they are increasing from heavily increased numbers. So Tim is right, man. We're comparing crap to crap right now, and it does suck. No, it does. If it doesn't, I got a great lawyer that could help on the appeal. Very nice. Tim could help him out. No, has been fighting since 1995. Oh my God, dude. Let's see. This dude's a pit bull. Talking about his lawyer. Perfect, man. Lisbon, a Lambo is a really nice fast car that 90% of Americans can drive without crashing. I mean, for the money, a GT40 is a much better buy. Lamborghinis, yes, could be nice, but dude, I'm telling you right now, I don't think they're worth the money. I really don't, man. I really don't. You guys know how much money you could generate on a weekly basis just selling some very, very conservative puts on the amount of like the $200,000 that a Lamborghini is going to cost you? Oh my gosh, dude. Full-time income. Hey, bro, can you believe my father, JP, said interest rates may be 2% in 2025? What the heck? What is your take? Because Bitcoin halving doesn't he know that? Geez. So the reason he would have said that, okay, PS5, is that they believe that interest rates are going to peak by the end of the year. That is the goal, to increase interest rates. The last time they said 2 more times, so theoretically we should only have 1 more interest rate hike left. I would imagine they've got things under control by then. Depends how much they really want to hinder spending here in the United States. They can keep raising interest rates if they want to. But they plan on 1, maybe 2 more interest rate hikes, and then it's going to plateau. In 2024, they're going to begin decreasing interest rates, according to the plan, at least to the last that I have heard from Jerome Powell. So after they plateau and interest rates come, I guess, interest rates are doing their job. It's getting inflation under control. Then they can slowly lower interest rates. And what that's going to do is stimulate the economy. What they're trying to do right now is slow the economy. Because inflation is growing at such a fast pace. People are spending money and spending money and spending money. And that's why they're charging more for things. They want to hinder spending to slow the economy. They're going to get it down to a level where they believe inflation is under control. And then they want to stimulate the economy once again. And they are going to be lowering interest rates. You see, they go through these cycles. And that's their way of controlling, I guess, prices and how much people spend and so on. If money is more expensive, people will be borrowing and spending less money. That's the idea behind it. Doesn't always work that way, but that's the idea. No ignore Tim. Never ignore Tim. Clay, I gave you my ultimate corn dog recipe. You skipped it. Darn it, man. I would never, ever... Yeah, dude, inflation from 3 years ago. Would never want to skip. You get a big red Bahama Mama sausage from the gas station, pickle onions, warm some cheese whiz. Oh my gosh. Warm some cheese whiz and mix up some cornbread mix. Pan fry the sausage, roll it in the whiz, then pickled onions and batter dip. Tim, that sounds like a very non-healthy meal, but I must be hungry right now, and I know I am. But that actually sounded really good to me. So, I know that's probably disgusting to a lot of people, but that actually sounded really good to me. And I know that's because I'm hungry. So, Tim, I probably won't try that recipe, but I actually really like that recipe. Send a few Lambos by me. In no way would I spend that much on a car. I'd get several resto mods for the same money. Yeah, but you know what, Tony? Either those dudes just have something wrong and aren't necessarily not conservative with their money, but smart, or they just if you've got like tens of millions of dollars, all right, dude, go buy a Lamborghini if you want to buy a Lamborghini. But anybody who would have $250,000 and would spend $250,000 on a Lamborghini, I mean, that's foolish, right? That's foolish. And the other half of them, dude, they probably make $100,000 a year, and then they're just going out there and making several $1,000s a month payments on their Lamborghini. They don't actually own it, man. They're just paying on it so that they can look cool at their job. JP says, only one more interest rate hike. Always trust JP. Yes, always trust Jerome Powell. Please, never not trust Jerome Powell. Lambo, overhyped. Get yourself something that won't get you in trouble, but will turn heads. No school like an old school. Even here in the UK, American muscle is king. Style summed up in a word. Eleanor, baby. Oh my god, dude. An Eleanor Mustang would be absolutely sick. Big Barista, I do agree with that. And I like the fact you said get you something that won't get you in trouble, man. You know what won't get you in trouble? A beautiful Kia Forte. Won't get you in trouble at the gas pump. Won't get you in trouble with your insurance company. And you certainly won't be speeding or hot rodding around in a Kia Forte. That's my plug for a Kia Forte if you guys want to be cool and drive one of those. So disappointed in AMC right now. Hey, you know what, McKean? Don't be disappointed. I'm at the point where I'm not disappointed with AMC. AMC is just like AMC Entertainment, the actual company, and Adam Aaron and everybody that runs AMC. They're basically in thieving mode. Right? They're trying to survive out there by tricking and scamming retail investors. So I've been disappointed in AMC Entertainment as a company for a very long time, since Adam Aaron decided to deceive retail. But I'm not necessarily disappointed in the price, okay? Another thing that I'm becoming disappointed in are the actual retail investors who hold AMC. Not all of them. Clearly, there's a lot of very intelligent people in here. There's a lot of very intelligent people that watch the videos and so on. But for some reason, okay, people who, not to single anybody out, okay, but you got guys like Bigums, you got guys like Tony De Niro, you got guys like Lou versus Wall Street, and I don't know what too much of what Lou's kind of promoting right now. But you've got all of these other guys. Just include everybody in there. If they are telling their I guess, subscribers or followers or whatever that a settlement and conversion for APE into AMC is a good idea, you know, shame on those guys for also doing that. It's going to give Adam Aaron the keys to the future and destroy retail's move. If the retail investors themselves kind of like fall into line with that and begin to believe that, I have to ask why. And if you can't tell me why that would be a good idea for AMC, you're just being led by the blind. So if anybody in here truly believes that the conversion would be a good idea, not for AMC, okay? It's a great idea for AMC because they can continue to siphon money out of retail investors' pockets. It is a good idea for AMC. But why it would be a good idea for AMC retail investors? I mean, if you can't answer that, don't vote for it. And clearly it's already been voted on and everything, but don't go promote that idea out there. It's just a bad idea. I think I'll trust Angie or Susan or Steven over JP. Yes, trust all of the guys in the comments that love to get you on board with their scam that they got going on. I have $100 left. Any good tip of what token to buy? No more Lunk, please. The bag is full. Lisbon, actually like to hear that, man. People that know when their bag is full and know when they hold the maximum amount that they want to hold, I love to see that right there. Dude, I don't know if you're looking. I don't know if you have any exchange coins. I believe that crypto.com coin is still a decent coin. Sorry for itching my nose. I was outside. Allergies are a little, not that bad today, but they're definitely making me itch. Crypto.com coin or Kronos, whatever. I believe it could do very well during the next bull market when people begin to sign up for the platform again, and Crypto.com's making a lot of money, potentially 20xing to get back to its all-time highs. Now, Binance, you're not going to 20x. You might double your money in Binance if they work everything out with the SEC and all of that stuff. If you're not looking at exchange coins, and you're not looking at meme coins, if you don't have any Bitcoin, I think that you should just kind of go along for the ride on Bitcoin as well. If you view it as more of a long-term hold. If you're trying to trade it, you'll have better opportunities elsewhere. But if you want like a long-term hold that you could just begin to fill a bag on and wait to see what happens in 10 years, I think that could be an excellent option as well. Love it. Need an affiliate link to Kia now. Yes, I do. Wouldn't it be hilarious if I had an affiliate link to Kia and you got like car salesman commission on selling a Kia? They gave you like $3,000 for selling a Kia online. I think that would be crazy, and I would put a Kia affiliate link in my description. So, yes, Kia, if you're listening and you want to help out and get an affiliate link over here, I will definitely do it. Rozzy! Yes! We've got 5 green names going in the chat right now. Everybody, 54 of you. Guys, you better be shouting Rozzy out right now. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the 5 green names. Spaniard got a green name. Harris got a green name. SD got a green name. Shin David got a green name. And Alex A grabbing that green name. Spider Claude, man, you should have got that green name. Make sure to click on what Rozzy sent. Enable your gift receiving. I can almost guarantee that you get a green name if you hang out in here for a while. Literally, look, nobody is gray, man. Big Barista, do the same thing. Click on what Rozzy sent, enable your gift receiving, and you'll be grabbing a green name next time somebody sends one out. Rozzy, dude, absolutely appreciate it. I really do hope. This is not a drill, guys. When somebody sends green names over like that, it is not only a huge support to the channel, because if somebody who's not in here gets that green name, they get an email notification saying that they got one. So they're very likely to come back. They're very likely to say thank you. So honestly, it's fantastic when somebody sends a green name out like that. But then it makes everybody in here green. Right? And people coming in and seeing how strong of literal bros we are, that everybody in the live chat is a member of the live chat. It truly is awesome. So, Rozzy, thank you very much. And I hope everybody says thank you, man, and shouts you out for sending those 5 green names, man. Incredible. It's awesome, man. Spider Claude says, hey, Clay Bro, did you buy AMC back? Not financial advice. Use the money to buy in the money calls through March 24th. You can still sell covered calls on the options, my man. Plus, you'll have a ton more. Spider, I have not bought back yet. So here, I always had my original shares, okay? Never sold out of those. And I had actually brought my average down drastically, okay? I brought my average down drastically to around, I think it was 465. I have no problem talking about averages and, percentages. So I had my average down to about 465 on AMC. Over, I would say, the last month, I've been selling some covered calls, and everything was great. Last Friday, I had some covered calls expire at $5 per share. By some very weird turn of events, the after-hours activity somehow, without, and Weeble won't give me a timestamp on when they were exercised, somehow they called my shares away. Okay? So I do have very little AMC shares right now, and I have no problem telling people, being transparent with it and so on. I have very little shares of AMC right now compared to what I just had, because I did get called away at $5. It was a profit, okay, that they called those shares away because my average was down to 465, and I had been making some income selling covered calls for the last month or so, pretty consistently. But they did call those away. I have not bought back. I do still have some shares, right? I was not sitting on an even amount, like an even 100 lot number. So I do still have some shares of AMC, but nothing, I would say nothing considerable. I have not bought back in yet. At this point, with all of the settlement news and everything, I am not sure that I am going to buy back in until everything with the settlement kind of settles down, so to say. Oh, yes, Kenneth, man. Oh, my gosh. We got Rozzy. We got Kenneth. We got 10 new bros in the chat right now. Kenneth, man, thank you very much for those 5 green names. You guys know what to do, man. My 4G is 1G and keeps buffering. Tony D, man, enjoy your day. Say thank you to Kenneth, guys. Spider Claude grabbing that green name. G-Man grabbing that green name. Pete Frank grabbing that green name. We got Army Vet Bro grabbing a green name. And Vet Olsen grabbing a green name. Guess you got the rest of them. Yes, Big Barista still needs a green name. Big Barista, you got to get on that right there. Oh my gosh, Kenneth coming again. Guys, if you did not get a green name, please click on what Ken is sending over. Enable your gift receiving. Kenneth hitting everybody in the chat right now. You guys better be shouting this man out right now. Kenneth throwing a green name to M. Yes! Sam Demand number 4 grabbing that green name. That means we might be seeing Sam Demand number 4 in the chat here very soon. Al Pacino grabbing a green name. Alex Rivera grabbing a green name. And Richard Merrill grabbing that green name. Kenneth. Thank you very much. Who's got a green name in the chat right now? DB95X. What the heck are you doing, man? What are you doing? Click the thing that Kenneth sent, enable your gift receiving, and get that green name, man. Oh my goodness. Anybody else got a great name in the chat right now? If you did, come on. What are you doing? We got one great name in the chat. Big Barista. James, man, come on. You guys don't know. Just click what Ken sent over and enable your gift receiving. If you do not know how to do that, go to your YouTube settings, and then you can click on memberships, and then you should be able to enable it there if you can't find it by clicking on what Ken has sent over. James got a gray name. Big Barista still has a gray name. And DB95X still has a gray name. Come on, guys. Grab that green name. They're throwing them out like crazy right now. Kenneth is the gray name killer. I love it. Kenneth, man, thank you very much. Gosh. Clebro, why is Pepe 2 more than 20%? I thought they were dead in the swamp water. Then they got resuscitated and got back up. How and why? Memes have a very hard, I almost wanted to say memes never die, right? Memes have a very difficult time getting killed off because people know that they move. We were looking at Pepe 2.0 just a little while ago. We were looking at it today, and I don't know if it was up or down when we looked at it earlier, but it certainly wasn't at this level. It's gained about $1.5 million in total market cap since we last looked at it. It was like 11 million. So yes, dude, it is rolling right now from 26 points to 30 points. That is a very nice increase. It's roughly a 20% increase, which is what you're seeing right here, 22% on the day. Volume rolling in, man. $7.2 million in volume. I would imagine the majority is KuCoin. Wow. No, Gate.io is the majority of the volume there. KuCoin coming in second. Even Uniswap doing some pretty high volume. So the volume is actually spread out pretty evenly among the centralized and decentralized exchanges here. So people buying in on this rally, man, and they might begin to drive the price higher once again. The thing you got to know if you're messing with these meme coins is that they're volatile. You can lose a lot of money, but yes, you can make a lot of money. I don't know why people are buying in right now. We did see earlier that it is at a decent level of support. You know, tapping this level back in here, unable to break through for a couple days, unable to break through, and may just be bouncing off this little level of support that it found back here at the beginning of July, and here towards the end of July, it found it again. So that could be the reason people are buying in. I'm not sure if it's just a technical trade or if people are just hyped up and trying to get a little roll with what's going on right now. Allowed, missed it before I got it. It's all right, Big Barista. Clay, with you being this positive during the bear market, I can't wait to see you during the bull market. Yeah, Jeffrey, man. So it's not really different in terms of like positivity or outlook and so on. I would say that the excitement is a little more increased during a bull market, and not like, maybe inspiration could be a word, but the sentiment is more positive. Oh my god, dude, look at Kenneth. Oh my gosh. This sentiment is probably more positive during a bull market, but I wouldn't say that the positivity declines ever. If you do not have a green name, get it right now. Kenneth throwing it to everybody. This is like the dude's just sitting up there on the balcony throwing beads out, man. Green name, green name, green name, green name. If you don't have a green name in the chat right now, I don't know what you are doing. Thank you, Kenneth. Look at this. This man is just filling up the chat. Kenneth with 10 green names. Throw the thanks out right now. We have James with a green name. Big Barista grabbing that green name. Yes, DB95X. There you go, dude. Gone Postal grabbing it. Ali, Dan grabbing it. We got Arichi grabbing it. Next level. Oh, you were already green. Throwing it. Oh, is Mr. Simon in here? Oh, Simoninho. Yes, dude. Simon, come on, man. I've actually been missing you like a lot. I've been missing you a lot, Simon, and I do not know why. You leave me like that, man. Ali grabbing a green name. Arichi grabbing a green name. Geoped, there it is, man. Missing Link with a green name. Madcat Meow with a green name. Alexis for Life grabbing that green name. Boom, 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 boom. Please, guys. Please. You're making me beg. Tell Kenneth, thank you. This dude is throwing out 20 total green names. Why are you not? The principal with the green name. Principal, you're coming in here and breaking my heart, man. What are you doing? Enable your gift receiving. I don't want... Oh, gosh. I know some of you guys just do it on purpose. I know some of you guys are doing it on purpose. DB95X doing exactly what he should be doing. Throwing a thank you out to Kenneth. Next level with a Kenneth thank you. Kenneth with a thank you from Gorilla. Yes, on Tim with that thank you right there. Ding, 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 ding. Green, 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 baby. Big Barista grabbing that green name. Yes, man. Ray, thank you very much. Mr. Palomino. Of course, I'm here, brothers and sisters. Oh, my gosh. Simon, I really did. Somebody mentioned you the other day, man. And whenever people mention people that haven't been here in a while, it really does, especially if they're OGs. It really does make me sad, dude. I completely get it if you are super busy at work or something, but man, you don't have to stay in here the whole time. Go to the bathroom or something and just come in, log in, and say hi, and then just let us know you're still doing good, man. Samanino, he knows what's up, man. You take that salt shaker, you pour it out on the table and throw it over your shoulder for good luck because salt tastes so good. And it gets in your eyes every time. Mr. Palomino, thank you very much for the salt shaker. Gosh, dude, I am actually very glad to have Simon back right now. Mr. Palomino loving it, dude. Mijo is back. Mijo Volto. Yes, Simon, looking good, man. Oh my gosh. You're gonna give Clay a stroke with Simon. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Fire fishing. Fishing's got a great name as well. Come on, fishing. What are you doing, man? Fishing's got a gray. Fishing and Principal have grays right now. Come on, 2 gray names in the chat. Anybody else got a gray? Anybody else got a gray? Don't be afraid to say hello if you've got a gray name in the chat right now. There's only 2 of you that I know about. Thank you very much, Kenneth, man. Oh my gosh, taking care of the bros, man. This is absolutely awesome. Oh, here goes the hashtags now. Wrench for Ken, wrench for Ken, wrench for Ken, wrench for Ken. I really do think. Let me see how many wrenches we have. I really do think that we could very quickly here, I think that we could adjust some of these wrenches. Okay, I want to keep the Nell, but the Nell is not in here like all the time. Pringleton has a wrench and hasn't been in here in a very long time. Pringleton has showed up, but isn't like super active anymore. Lolly, I mean, you know, when your heart goes out, I think you might just have to leave some wrenches out there. Crypto Rocketeer been much more active recently. Crypto Rocketeer, if you're in here right now, please continue to remain active. We might be on the wrench turnaround here in a second. Rocket was in here the other day, but Rocket, man, he's like one of the beginning OGs. I would hate to take his wrench away. Chris with a wrench, Moji with a wrench, Streamlabs with a wrench. All right. AMC Trapper. I mean, come on. They're messing with him at work, but that dude is an OG. Ooh, Cassie has not been in here, and Cassie has a green wrench. Gosh. We're leaving Pudgy. We're leaving Outdoor Smile. We're leaving Pika Pow. We're leaving Frank. We're leaving Emma D. Yeah. Yeah. He threw out again? Yeah, he threw out again. All right. Let me see. Yeah. Ken's in here every day, man. Ken's in here every day. Where the heck is he? Nufo, man. Nufo, you're in. Yes, Nufo, you listen. You guys are worthy, right? Everybody is worthy of a wrench. But look, Kenneth just dropped like $100 in memberships right there too. Kenneth, thank you very much. A little Hunger Games moment of silence for Cassie. Cassie has not been in here. I think Cassie's not been in here in over a year. Cassie, very sorry. Wrench privileges have been revoked. Kenneth, congratulations. It is going to be weird. It is going to be weird seeing your name in blue as opposed to green. But Kenneth, thank you very much. And I do not say this lightly, all right? I do not take wrenches lightly, man. So, I mean, if you ever want to, like, you know, dip out and not come in very consistently and all the time and all that stuff, I can recycle wrenches and give some more wrenches away. Let's see here. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. A wrench for Kenneth. Dark Bro has spoken. Dark Bro has spoken, and it has been done. Kenneth, man, say something in the chat. What the heck are you doing? Are you afraid to say something? Seeing you want your first chat to be special? What are you doing right now, man? Get that name in the chat. Let's go. I know, Pika. It's tough. It's tough. I really haven't seen Cassie in a very long time, though. It's probably been well over a year since I've seen Cassie in the chat. Once, yes, semi-life, you do. Nufo, I know you do as well, man. Nufo de Bulto, ahoo! And Nufo has been here for a very long time. I appreciate everybody who has. I do wish that everybody in the chat could be blue. You guys, I know you guys understand that I can't make everybody blue out there. And, I mean, Kenneth really did just drop like $100 in green names, so... yes. Kenneth, he's got it, but he's afraid to say something, man. He's afraid to say something. Blue names present arms. Yes, do that, maybe. She told me she was taking a break like 9 months ago. How long of a break, man? How long of a break? I mean, if she comes back and she's active, I mean, yeah, we could get it talking there. Let's see here. When's the last time Stephanie has been in here? I don't know when the last time Stephanie has been in here. It's been a very long time, but I do know Stephanie still has her green name, and Stephanie actually has a more consistent streak than J-Bones. J-Bones is up there. He's the most active one that is in the chat, but she's got a longer streak than J-Bones does. So, I don't know if she's listening right now or not, but Stephanie, if you're in here, please say hello. Let's see. Dude, the purple line's working. Troy, let's make it happen, man. I want. Yes, she told me she was taking a break. Yes, Kenneth having a moment. Give him a minute. Kenneth is having a moment, man. Kenneth is having a moment right now. Kenneth is taking a moment to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, thank you very much for the super chat. You guys all better be hard like a diamond out there right now. Yes. Thank you very much, JJ. You guys are absolutely killing it. Was not looking for a wrench, but thanks to all the support. It's been a good week in the market and paying it forward to the bros. Kenneth, absolutely love it. No, I know you weren't looking for a wrench, man. I do. I know that. I know nobody's out there gunning for wrenches or trying to buy wrenches or anything like that. But you are in here basically every live stream, man. And people that are in here every live stream, there's no real problems. You know, people aren't trying to cause problems in the chat. So it's not like we need 20 moderators or anything. But I do appreciate people that show up every day. The difficult part is, I mean, there's 45 people in here. 45 of you that are in here are literally in here every single day. So I can't give everybody a wrench. I could technically give everybody a wrench, but then the wrench doesn't really mean anything at that point. So I am glad that you got one there, man. But don't worry, Ken, I will take it away if you're not consistent and so on. Let's see. Bronson! Yes, man. 14 months of bro. I'll never forget the day Emma got a wrench over me. Everybody lives with regrets, and everybody lives with those memories. Yes, Bronson. Very, very difficult times. Very difficult times. God, this dude's never going to let me live it down. Oh, Bronson, I'm very sorry. New photo pulto. Ahoo! Man, this is a very soft horn. New photo, you caught me on a day with a soft horn, man. Oh, no. I feel a little embarrassed about this horn right. Come on. Yeah, I don't want to be too weird. Yeah, get it? Nufo, thank you very much for the King Unicorn. Absolutely appreciate it, man. You caught me on a day when the horn doesn't want to go, man. I don't know what's going on right now, but Nufo to pool to ahoo. I forgot to tell you this morning that the Wednesday awesome day made her blush when I played it when I got her to class. Very nice, Pudgy. Very nice. I hope that you had a good day today. I actually don't know, man. She's probably not home yet, right? Or do they do kindergarten half a day there? What is it? It's only 2 o'clock there. I don't know if she's home yet or not. It's got to be a hard day for her. It's got to be a hard day for you. But she's probably having or probably had a lot of fun today, man. She's going to be making a ton of friends, and it's going to be good overall. So, Pudgy, I am very glad to hear that she loved the the shout out or whatever you want to call it, man. And dude, she's got a good dad for making something like that happen. You know she does. So that is awesome, man. I hope both of you had a very good day today. And you guys are just ready to start the school life now. The wrench probation starts now. It does, Dark Bro. Got my cup. What's going on? I forgot my cup. We got another great name in the chat. 45 people here. We cannot have 45 wrenches. But who are we going to block? It's true, man. Could you imagine 45 wrenches just going wild? Not going to block anybody, though. Yes. Espanol, tío. Yeah. Simonino. I still haven't gotten a wrench. I'm still waiting. See what I'm saying? Yes, Bronson's waiting. Nufo's waiting. Rozzy's waiting. Everybody's waiting. Kenneth! Forgot my cup comes in with a great name, and Kenneth takes care of that one. Boom! Green name going to Forgot My Cup. Boom! Jose grabbing it. Nico grabbing it. Tubes grabbing it. And Dois. 222. Grabbing that green name right there. If you guys are in here right now, please. Kenneth is absolutely on fire right now. Please say thank you to Kenneth. I am loving it. Kenneth, man, thank you very much for all of the green names. I really don't think that there can be a gray name in the chat at the moment. If there's a gray name in the chat right now, I have no idea what you guys are doing, but you are clearly not paying attention. Kenneth, oh my gosh, man. Bro, again, Bronson can have my wrench. Pika. You can't do like perma wrenches, but if you could, Pika would have a perma wrench. Pika's like, what's the girl's name from the Hunger Games volunteering as tribute to take over for her sister? Pika sacrificing herself for Bronson right now just solidifies the perma wrench that Pika has. Yes, very sorry, Pika. Very sorry to disappoint you, and very sorry, Bronson, as well. Probably more sorry to Bronson. But no, Bronson cannot have your wrench. I'm sorry to say that. Let's see. Big cents. We've got 1K AMC shares. Quick share count. I hold 1K. Big 10. I actually hold very few shares right now. My shares were called away on last Friday after hours. They expired. They expired worthless, man, but somehow they still took them from me and gypped me at $5. So I could get back in. I've not gotten back in yet on them, but they did call them. Because I was selling some covered calls last week, and yeah, dude, I think that they jaded me on that one. Expiring worthless at $5, but still calling me after hours there. Quick, Kenneth, get at it. Yes, Big Ten's got a great name. Oh no, Big Ten, you better have gift receiving enabled. No, I don't want Pikas. I want Mojis. Just Mojis. Moji's not in here right now. Uh-oh. Moji's not in here, but Bronson is. Let's see, darn typo. Katniss, there, Katniss. Yes, you've got it, man. You guys really know their names, man. You guys are smarter than me. Let's see, Español, tío, ¿cómo está? Estoy bien. Estoy muy bien, Mr. Palomino. My Spanish is terrible. Terrible. Is that how you spell it? Is that how you say it in Spanish? I don't know. I don't know if that's how you say it or not. Let's go Portuguese. Ouch! Big 10. Yeah, it really was annoying, man. It really was annoying. Especially knowing that pre-market, it was trading at 7-something, almost $8. And I'm like, whoa, what's going on with my account right here? And I did not have. I did not have those shares. I was mad, dude. I was on chat with Weeble all morning about that. And they just said, oh, well, we actually don't get timestamps for when options trades are executed, so you're just out of luck. Literally, unless I sued them to get the information as to when my shares were called away and why somebody would call shares away before expiration, being 15% out of the money. I mean, unless you sue them, dude, they're not going to give you any information. You know what I mean? Like, people are shady, man. People are shady. Name the price for it. Hemi. I don't know what we're talking about. A wrench? Priceless, dog. Priceless. Now back to the stock market. Yes. Now back to the stock market. Half the chat is blue, half the chat is green, but I love it. We're Farmy, friend. Farmy was down. Downtown, going down in an early round. Farmy going down, swinging. Farmy sitting at 47.60 at the close, sitting slightly higher after hours. But look at this volume on Farmy, man. This is absolutely pathetic. Farmy trying its best to fall back down, Tim, off that level of resistance. We didn't put that on the chart yesterday. It's been here for months. So Farmy doing its best to fall back down off resistance, most likely coming back down to this line, and then very, very likely to come back down and test the all-time lows around 40 cents. So watch out if you guys partook in this like 20+% gain here from 40 cents. No, actually it was about, it was just under a 20% gain. So coming down off this 20% gain and on its way back down, probably to new all-time lows here pretty soon. But nonetheless, man, good day, good day, good day over the past 3 days. Today, not a good day. Moji, busy saving lives. Yeah, dude, what's up with all these people out there, like, you know, making a difference in the world? Moji expects to keep his wrench when he's probably, you know, out there making somebody's life more enjoyable or taking away some disease right now. Jeez. In all actuality, Moji's probably golfing at the moment and just doesn't want to be in here. Man, you're the best. Thank you for all you do. You know what, Kevin? Appreciate you, man. But I'm going to be honest with you. I'm just the guy on the screen. You guys make the lives. You make the ideas. You make the fact that I even want to do a video in the first place. You make that real. So, Kevin, for real, you guys are the best. Not just you specifically, but you are definitely included in that. You guys really are the best. I would not enjoy doing any of this if you guys were nothing but hateful and disgusting every time I came on. Or, you know, it was nothing but negative comments and negative feedback everywhere. But you guys truly do make it incredible. So, Kevin, man, you're the best. And I do mean that. AMC's on a dip. Shib is working hard to break above 800 points per coin. It is, man. AMC bouncing back up a little bit right now to 508. Guys, I don't know. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be buying back into AMC until the settlement gets handled at this point. So, I did make a profit. I could get in at 507. You know, I could get in at... I could actually get in at 507 and still basically break even just with the last covered call I sold. But the previous ones would have brought my average down a little bit further. So, yeah, I may not get in, you know, buying more shares of AMC now until kind of the settlement is taking another turn. And that is if I do, right? I want to be very clear with people. I am not excited about a settlement. And if AMC does convert, I may let the entire thing just play out now. And see what happens during and after the conversion and after the reverse split and all of that before I would load back in. So I was able to break even, actually more than break even, because my average was at 465. I sold covered calls for several weeks, and then it was more than so. I consider several 3, so it was more than that, but. And then get out at 5. So I was able to turn a profit. Clearly not what I wanted to, but I'm glad that I wasn't continuing to hold. And it will all depend on how things play out with this settlement. No, but you do the work, and it's appreciated. Kevin, appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for that. Kick tires, Mo. Yeah, kick tires, Mo. Save another life. I could go for tacos right now. I could too, man. Quick swap thoughts. Principle, I don't know anything about quick swap. We could definitely, and I'm not trying to, like, you know, cut your time or anything, but it is past 5 o'clock, so I want to get the videos and everything, thumbnails and all that stuff done for tonight's videos. So it is unfortunately, it's time for so long, but we'll sing just one more song. No, we're not going to sing some Blues Clues right now. Appreciate everybody for being in here. Kenneth, man, absolutely killing it. I don't know how Kevin has a gray name. Kevin, you're going to get a green name if you hang out with the bros, man. That is almost inevitable. I'm going to give a shout out to everybody in here. Get your names in the chat. We're going to do all that good stuff. Absolutely, Kenneth, man. I cannot say thank you enough. So if you guys want to give a shout out to Ken or whatever on the way out, I would absolutely appreciate it. Did you ever unwrench my old accounts? Pudgy, very likely, because I only saw one Pudgy on there. So I do believe your old account must have been de-wrenched, because I only saw one Pudgy when I was going through and looking at the old accounts right there, or all of the accounts that have wrenches right now. So let's do the shout outs, guys. Oh, is he throwing it to Kevin? 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 Who's going to grab it? Is it going to Kevin? 7. Salem Yar grabbing that green name. Kevin must not have his gift receiving enabled. Tim, man, throw a shout out to Tim. Throw a shout out to Kenneth on the way out, man. Principal, enjoy it. Tim, man, thank you very much for everything, man. Kenneth, Pudgy, Alpha, Kenny1, loving it, man. Next Level, see you later. Kombu, see you later. Bronson, Spaniard, Outdoor Smile, man. Outdoor Smile. I don't know if you've been in here in a while, man. I want to say, and I don't know if I've seen you since this. Dude, I think that this is absolutely awesome. And I do not know. I've showed this like 5 or 6 times now. I do not know if you've been in here for me showing it yet. But guys, Outdoor Smile sent this for my birthday a while ago. I appreciate it beyond how much he knows. Like, this is the perfect commemoration of the entire GameStop, AMC, entire meme stock saga. I will keep this forever, man. And I really like that coin there, because I mean, dude, it's basically where everything started. So, Outdoor Smile. I don't know if you were in here the multiple times that I have showed it, but I do want to say that I appreciate that very much, and I think that it is absolutely incredible, man. Shout out to Mr. Palomino. Oh my God. Stay with us, Palomino. Stay with us. I'm loving you in the chat. Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you. Bronson, peace out to all. And bye, Pika. Not even a bye to me, just an all. DB95X, enjoy it. Kombu, see you later. Aiden, see you later. Timmy, thank you for the green name, and enjoy your evening. Mark, see you later. Salem Yar, grabbing a green name. If you're in here, please say thanks to Tim. Dark Bro, boom, ride the lightning, bros. Loving it. Spider Claude, enjoy your day. Gorilla Invictus, Sam, see you later, man. Dark Bro, enjoy your evening. Pika Power, thank you very much, Pika. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know, with me and you and our dog Pudgy, we can do anything that we wanna do. Yeah. That we can, Pika. That we can. Kombu, man. See you later, Ray. Peace out of the Diamond Hidden King. Banana Clowns. Yes, Pudgy. Enjoy your day, man. See you later. Alpha 1. See ya. Big Barista. Tim. Pika. Gorilla. Big Barista. Mr. Palomino. Outdoor Smile. Kevin. Next Level. Outdoor Smile. Kenneth. Tim. Next Level. Pika. Nufo. Pika. All of you guys. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.